Hello and welcome. I'm Glenys from In the Zone Healing, and I want to introduce you to the animal helpers. These are blends of the New Millennium flower essences designed to help our precious companion animals. First of all, we have the cat's health. This is designed for the well-being of cats, to help them with a number of issues, but in particular with their territorial issues with one another and also staking out their territory. Then we have the dog's health, of course, for our lovely dogs, again for their well-being, but it also helps dogs that are attention-seeking, and particularly for those breeds that get very stressed, bark a lot when they're upset. The next one, horses' health. And so that can help thoroughbred horses in particular, very highly strung horses, but just helps with, general behaviour of horses, and particularly a lot of people have found them very helpful for getting the horse into the stall or into the trailer. And finally, the rescued animals, for when you've found and are rehabilitating unwanted or abused animals, helping them to rehabilitate. So how do you use them? Well, very simple, just a few drops. They come in a dropper bottle, like so. And Snoopy here, my little friend, is going to help demonstrate. So we can either put a few drops in Snoopy's food or water, or we can place the drops somewhere on his coat. Somewhere along perhaps the back of the neck is a useful place. This is a particularly useful place for cats. If you've ever tried getting them to eat food that's been contaminated with some other substance, good luck. With horses, put 4 drops in the water trough, and yeah, we've had amazing results with just that small amount. With birds, they're quite delicate, particularly small birds. I would put 1 drop in their water and no more. So that's the animal helpers for all our wonderful companion helpers and animals. So thank you and have a lovely day.